Just trying to capture a couple things here with the software-defined radio called an SDR. So what I'm doing here is this frequency is set up because I've looked it up, and it's frequency 13 on the FRS family radio system, or GRMS, which gives you a little more power. And I've had these radios back before they invented cell phones, but they actually still work. So I've tuned it in, and when I hit the button on my little walkie-talkie, you'll see it pop up. Just
like that.
and now
And now you can hear me
and
and
see
see me
this is where it picked up, right on your right
right on your frequency.
and
And
you
you
can
can
see all
see all
this
this
data
data
down
down
here.
here.
You
You
can
can
also
also
see
see
audio
audio
spectrum.
spectrum.
Now this
Now
is
this is
really
really
just a
just a
quick
quick
taste.
taste.
So I'll shut up, and hopefully this records. But it's a great way to show kids what's out in the airwaves. I can pick up FM, AM, ham radio, but this is just another little way for me to test. No, I can't send out signals from this system, i.e. jam. That would be illegal. But with my GMRS, FRS radios, I can still show kids how radio waves come out of here and go through the air and get picked up my antenna. So
So there's more fun to be had. And the other thing I can do is filter. I can adjust gain. I can go over here and tune. I can lock. I can
yeah, so it's pretty cool. Anyway.
have a great day.